Okay, I'm back. Had a blast there for a few minutes. So I was starting to put the carburetor on here, or injector. I was waiting for the push rod to bleed down before I turn the motor over. So you gotta wait until you can turn these push rods with your fingers. And you can turn them with your fingers, you can turn the motor over, see. So they're all bled down now. So anyway, I just got back. So I gotta put 2 bolts here so this doesn't fall off. I'm gonna use my long Allen wrench here. And that's the factory Allen wrench for an Evo. I don't know what Twin Cam uses. Bundus brand. Kit More Tools sells you that to Harley, so it goes through 3 different vendors to get to you. Everybody makes money on the way, so oh well. I already put new rubbers on this. This is the hardest one to get to because that's in the way, that's in the way, and that's in the way. Stupid ass. Work that damn hose out of there. Keeps coming down and bothering me. Let's see, I have to try something different here. Okay, it's in the thread now. Let's see if I can get in there. There we go. Got to start. Thought I came through here. All the angles are pretty heavy. This might be the best angle to come in on that. Maybe, I'm not sure. Where did the bolt go? It's gone forever. Makes it difficult. And no, I'm not going to magnetize my tool. There it goes. Why they put stupid Allen bolts over here, you can't get to these. Alright, they're in there a little ways. Tool also works, the alignment tool. It's too high right now. Yeah, it looks pretty close to straight, give or take a little bit. I guess about there. Alright. Let's come in some real Allen wrenches to tighten that down the rest of the way. Okay, so these are now can rotate my fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the motor over now to top dead center. On the compression stroke on this side, we're on top dead center overlap stroke, close to it. We're actually on top center on this one, so it's 45 degrees out of phase. That's the V angle. Still using my channel locks here to turn the motor over. See, there's top dead center. That's on the overlap stroke. If you look at the rocker arms, they're moving over here. Next time around will be good. Fighting spring tension over there. Good, nothing bottomed out. That's a good sign over there. There we go. Coming up on compression stroke now. Valve spring tension is fighting me a little bit on the other cylinder. Okay, right there it's holding. Okay, I'm going to go over here and put all this hardware over here in, just like before. Okay, we use our blue Loctite and everything. I need to do the rocker box bolts first. Wiggle everything around until everything kind of starts to go in where it belongs. There you go. We're started. We'll do the little breather bolts next. All kinds of parts and pieces and gaskets to go through on them, so keep wiggling back and forth until they go in. Okay, they're started. Okay, do some more bolts here. Don't need a lot of Loctite, just a little bit. Two tall ones, these outer ones over here. Okay, the four long ones here go over here. These are the cover ones, see they're shorter. To use those you only got about a 1/4 inch of thread, which is not enough. Use the correct one, you got about a 1/2 inch of thread, which is correct. So you just got to look to see how much is sticking up if you're not sure which bolt to use. If you only got a couple turns and the bottom's out, it's not enough. Okay, wiggle these around a little bit to get them to start. So there's a gasket underneath, you still got to center it up a little bit. Okay, everything's in there now. So I'm just going to bring everything down a little bit. Oh, already got a problem. And the gasket is not where it belongs. I can see the gasket is hanging down here. It didn't go in the right spot. Make sure this one did. Double check that. So I get to redo it. Even though it seemed like it was going in, it did not go in. Bring it up a little. Shove the gasket in there where it belongs. Move it around again. Make sure it is in there correctly this time. No doubt force the rocker box down with 1/4 inch bolts. That'd be pretty stupid. I've seen stuff done that though. Okay, just bring these down a little bit. Not all the way, just get them down close. So we can kind of start it a little bit.
Scooby in the car, Tatro?
He was all right when I got home, more or less.
For real? Oh, we gave him an antibiotic.
I don't know. He acts like he's got like a little mini stroke or something. I'm not sure.
You guys gonna go check him, get him checked?
I got him out of bed, but I picked him up out of bed. Once he got moving around, everything was working again. So.
Got you.
We'll see how it works overnight. So try not to work until 5 o'clock again. So make sure he's good when I get home. I told her to call the doctors tomorrow and see what they want to do and check. If you take him in, it's going to be about $800, so we don't want to do that.
Oh, so you don't want to rush him in yet?
Fuck no.
Oh, that's the trick of the story. You don't want to rush him in there yet.
He seems to be good right now. He even jumped up the wall. He ran around outside.
Good to you, huh?
He's running good. He's working fine with me. When he first get going, he's a little hesitant, but once he started moving about 3 feet, he's good to go. He's running. So,
got you.
I don't know what's going on. Something is up. He's getting old. Things happen.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's all laid out. Yeah, you broke the Scooby nose on the video now. Oh, I didn't say anything. I just said I had to go someplace. Top secret information. Okay, here's that. What torque is this?
I have no idea.
Whatever this wrench is set at, unless somebody screws with it, it's always correct. Should be about 24 to 25 foot-pounds, not inch-pounds.
It's a little powerful motor.
These ones you gotta be careful about. That's good. They're quarter-inch bolts, you can pull them down a little bit. Usually get about 15 foot-pounds on these quarter-inch ones. 12 to 14, I think is what Harley uses on that stuff. I have a wrench for that if I want to check them. You think they're tight?
Yeah.
Tight enough. Okay, so I gotta wait until these bleed down before I can turn them over. When I got back, the intake was bled down finally. It took about a half hour, I guess. Okay, I got this kind of set on there. Where's your special Allen wrench for getting those off?
And then the back, the Allen wrench.
You lost your Allen wrench?
I'll go get them.
Where's your Allen wrench at?
I didn't tape it off.
Somebody took it off.
Man, my buddy did it. He probably got to that part.
You got the special Allen wrench to use?
Oh man.
Now, how many more times does it go before it breaks? It's cracked all the way around, so I don't know why it's not falling off. Stick it in there like that. You take a cheater wrench and go like this. And tighten it down until it breaks. Or it's tight.
Till it breaks. To what breaks?
The other two I did this to already broke. So. Now my original wrenches I made, somebody stole them.
You have thieves around you all the time, Tatro.
That's right. Everybody thinks the tools are for them when I give them to use. Are you posting stuff on me here again?
No posting.
Top secret pictures and everything? Showing all my fancy
Yes, when I
tools?
go out of town, I say that.
Showing all my fancy tools? Yeah, it's getting tight. Hose is in the way. Alright. Torque. That one's torqued. Oh, no music. They're going to ban me on video again. They'll send me a nasty gram saying, oh, you got to pay for that.
For real?
Yep. Either pay for it or delete it. They did one of my videos. I played that thing back and forth 5 times. I can never hear any kind of a sound note, ring bell, or anything in the damn video. Something popped. Oh, it's still working. So, nothing broke. It's like the pop was. I don't know how many more times I got my wrench, it went pop, but it's still there. So it must still be good. This one needs a regular wrench on. Yeah, YouTube's getting pretty nasty about things. Especially comments.
They don't like the comments.
I don't know, I've had a lot of comments that disappear between upload and what I wrote it. My inner button and coming to the video. Didn't quite make it. When you do a 20-minute long comment, it's nice to have it actually go up. I do some long comments. Okay, this one here, your sensor's in the way, or fuel injector. I just bumped into it a little bit. Almost get to the next one. Not quite enough room to get in there. I have to move that some more. Ooh, I hear it cracking. It's not good, is it? Okay, it's tight. There you go. Intake is in. Still my Allen's again. I saw that. My rinse disappeared yet? Oh, I saw you. You're looking at that. You're eyeballing that sucker. I saw that.